I wanted to share a high protein snack if you have someone that has a savory tooth. So I'm gonna have these protein pretzels. They have 27 grams of protein, 16 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fat. So I'm gonna have this, and just to add a little bit more flavor to it, I'm having some PB Fit. This is a lower calorie peanut butter. So just eating like this may be a little bit plain. So I'm adding this over here with a little bit of water. So this is just a good quick little snack that you can have. If you're someone like me that likes savory and also peanut butter, I love peanut butter, this would be a good little snack to do. Enjoy.